it's Cherie. How you doing? I just wanted to stop by and give you a little sneak peek behind the scenes tour of the new space that I'm using in Kingsland at Parachute Music. It is such a great room. I absolutely love being in it. So let me show you around. Well, you can rock on in. We can catch up on the couch before we jump into doing some live performance stuff. That's a little PA there next to the piano. And then if we're watching song studies, we can do that on that big screen or be doing our technique and voice print work at the table. But it's an awesome space with tons of options. What do you reckon? Pretty cool, right? So Saturday afternoons are the day that I'm doing the in-person sessions from about 1 o'clock to 5:30. There are 2 slots available and you can book that slot by jumping into the booking calendar. Make sure you scroll down to the vocal coaching services section and book the in-person session. I'm still doing online and that's going to be predominantly on Fridays. The in-persons will be available only on Saturday afternoons, but you can book online on Saturday afternoon if you want. I'd just really love you to come on down and have a look at the space and see it in person. Let me know if you have any questions, jump into the booking calendar, and I'll see you soon.